Today I'll be unboxing a limited edition Seiko Prospex in the King Turtle design. The SRPH37K is limited to just 1,000 pieces worldwide and is exclusive to the Australasia region, making it one of the most scarce Seiko Prospex watches on the market. This watch comes in a rugged box, reminiscent of a diver's toolbox, and included in there is an additional silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. Right out of the box, this watch cannot be missed. It is 40.5mm in diameter and 13mm thick, and because of its stainless steel exterior, it weighs 198 grams. There's great contrast between the hands and markers and the watch face, which has a waffle texture in a deep shade of green. This contrast is great for legibility, and knowing Seiko's LumiBrite strength, this watch is going to be really easy to quickly read the time in all lighting conditions. The rotating ceramic bezel is painted in black with light green features from 12 to 4 o'clock, and overall this is a great looking watch. Of course, being a Prospex, this watch is 200 meters water resistant and houses the 4R36 movement, affording it 41 hours of power reserve. This movement also includes a day and date function, which is always appreciated. You can't go wrong with the Seiko Prospex. They're super reliable and they will last you a lifetime. So if you're interested in picking up a limited edition, this one limited to just 1,000, click the link in the description or head on over to watchdepot.com.au and browse our full range of Seiko watches.